For 140 years, SGS has been synonymous with trust. Our story begins in 1878 with a young entrepreneur inspecting a single grain shipment from Russia to France. He recognizes that providing trust is a valuable currency in the business world and seizes an opportunity that will later become the global benchmark in quality and integrity. In the subsequent 4 decades, Thomas Edison develops the incandescent electric light bulb, and Marie Curie wins 2 Nobel Prizes. By 1913, the company is inspecting 21 million tons of grain per year across Europe and becomes the leader in the grain inspection business in 1915. The company then moves its headquarters from Paris to Geneva, where it adopts the name Société Générale de Surveillance, SGS. Around that time that Amelia Earhart becomes the first woman to fly solo coast to coast, SGS is present in 21 countries around the world. By the middle of the 20th century, 80% of our revenue comes from agricultural services. When space becomes the next frontier, SGS demonstrates its expertise in responding to change on Earth. As oil exploration moves from land to sea, SGS creates its oil, gas and chemical services business, and as global trade increases, develops government and institution services to provide critical pre-shipment inspection to customs authorities. In the 1970s, as customers and society become more aware of the environmental impact of industry, we take the lead. By 1980, half of our revenue comes from services that had not existed 10 years earlier. As a result of geopolitical changes on the world stage in the 1990s, previously closed economies are now open for business, and SGS opens offices in these regions and expands further in Asia, Latin America and China. At the beginning of the millennium, SGS restructures, forming our 9 business segments to better fulfill customer needs. With businesses and society looking for more sustainable solutions, SGS will continue to provide value for our customers across their supply chains, supporting them in adapting to the megatrends that will affect society and our environment. Through this process, we will remain the world's leading inspection, verification, testing and certification company. SGS will continue to generate sustainable long-term value for our shareholders and to society.